I'm gonna make a small little video, something so simple that we could all do, and it's in our bathroom fans. They're super annoying sometimes, but you know what? I hate cleaning it. I spend, I have multiple properties, and customers are always complaining that the fans are not working very well and that they're making noise and all this stuff. So what I did, something kind of simple. So here we go. Stick around. All right, so don't forget, hit the like button. Have any questions, let me know. So this is my little idea that I've started doing years ago, and basically all it is a little filter inside the fan, and the fan for the bathrooms. So here is mine. It's super clean. It's a little loud. It's an older fan. I actually brought it from my old property, my old home, and it's a decent one. But for some reason, it's got a little piece of metal up there. I gotta go in the attic and fix it, but I haven't gotten around to it. But I had to do the cutout. It doesn't look perfectly square because there was one here before that didn't work very well. It was super loud, and I didn't want to go too big on the box, so that's why it looks like that. I never finished it perfectly, but it is what it is. That's not the main event today. So this is the filter. If you look at it, it's pretty disgusting. All right, let's check it out. Normally that's roughly about a year worth of filtering. So I might clean it and put it back. I cut it out. So you make a couple of those slots right here on the side for the springs, and that's pretty much it. So let's go take a look real quick at the one that I oops. All right. So this is basically one of the bigger ones, bigger panels. So you cut it out so it sits inside here. So if you flip it, I already cleaned this one. Had like a little bit of spider webs on it and things like that. So you see the slots here. You put this through here. So you get as much filtering as you can. Actually, now that I look at it, all you gotta do is cut it out. So it's easier because it's a pain in the butt to get it through these holes. So, you cut it out more or less, as long as it sits inside. So you get all the filtering possible. As you can see, look at the big difference. So it keeps the fan clean. Throughout the years, the humidity makes the dust stick to the fan blades or the blower. Let's say the blower, it's not a fan. In my case, it's not a fan. It's the blower. When they get heavy of dust, they vibrate and they don't work as well. So that, to keep it nice and clean, this is, a great idea. As you can see, it's pretty dusty. So then it's easy. You just take this out, you rinse it with water, and you put it back. No big deal. If you got 3 of these, if you buy a little filter for it, and basically you just go to Home Depot or Lowe's. It's an AC filter. It just comes in a little, let's see here, come on. Comes in a big piece, and you cut it out. So it's a great idea. It keeps your fans clean. You could custom cut it. I think it comes 24 by 13. In my case, I only used, it's a one-time use, but it's perfect. So it's a little DIY project around the house. If you wanna, if you're like me, you know about cleaning your fans, so you could get it cleaned up and install one of these, and you're good. And simple, once every 6 months or a year. I mean, this is a little overdue, to be honest with you. I should have done it, every 6 months. But I totally forgot about it. I noticed when the cover was already getting dusty, I said, you know what? Let me take a look. And so another little project around the house. I know it's more to-do list, but it does save you from taking the fan apart, cleaning each blade, especially the blowers. They're a pain in the butt. Sometimes you gotta wash them. And like I say, it's a perfect little simple idea you could do. And here we go. Try it out. Let me know if you have any other ideas or maybe a different material. I think this one's pretty good. It's thick enough to filter, and at the same time lets the air through. It's not like a thick foam that it won't allow the flow. I did feel it. That's why another thing, I did feel it that it wasn't sucking enough air. I felt that the humidity of the bathroom was kind of like lingering around for too long. So, and this is the reason, it was completely clogged. So I'm gonna try to wash it, see if it'll come clean. If not, I'll just go buy another piece. These are super inexpensive. So again, it's a little window AC filter. You could buy it at Home Depot or Lowe's. I'm gonna go find it and put the SKU on there, so that way if you want to order it online, you could probably pick it up on Amazon also. So and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna try to clean it and put it back. If not, I'll run to Home Depot and get another one. I already got this one done. Just cut a little notch out of that. Make it nice and tight as possible. Alright. Shouldn't be that hard. Let's see. It's pretty good. Beautiful. All right, so easy peasy. I'm actually going to put it back because once you turn it on, the fan itself will dry it up. All right, let's see what we got here. See if I can climb up here and get it done. All right, so see how nice and clean everything is in there. I like it that way. Okay. Let's see if I can get this sucker installed. I think that'll work. So, nice and clean. Okay. Beautiful. All right, she's ready to rock and roll. Clean filter, 6 more months. All righty. Ooh, that wasn't so hard. What's hard is taking out the fan, having to clean it. That's a pain in the butt. So this is a lot easier. Once every 6 months, 7 months, put it on the calendar, clean the filters, and you're good to go. All right. Enjoy. I hope it helps. Thanks for watching.